Oh my god. This rain is so crazy. It's raining. Oh my god, look at those trees. Look at the trees. Sorry about the light. But look at the rain. Holy crap. It's raining. Let's just watch the rain. There's nothing else to do. Let's just watch the rain, guys. The rain's pouring down really heavy. You might not be able to see it that good, but the rain's pouring down really heavy. This is amazing. I might have to take cover soon, though. Just pretty bad. But look at the rain. Holy crap, that rain is crazy. Crazy rain. Pull back a little, maybe you can see better. Look at that puddle. Look at all that water. Oh my god, that's a lot of water. Holy crap. Just watch the rain. Yeah. Watch the rain. It's good. Oh, not for me, but it's good to watch. There's so much rain. Holy crap, there's so much rain. I wish you guys could experience this in real life. The rain's amazing. Oh my god, rain, no, 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 no. Okay. So, oh, that rainbow. The rain. Sorry if the lighting's bad. It's just the camera light. Wants to get in the way. Look at how white the sky is and how bright the sky is, but look at that rain. Look at how much rain there is. Do you see that water? That's so much rain. Well, I'm gonna go and maybe prepare for a tornado soon because there's gonna be one probably, so bye guys.